Okay, now tell me, Leona, what 5 points did you learn from this subject on how do you generate online income? Please tell me. What
Well,
5 points?
first, you,
Mhm.
yeah. First, you will have to actually learn all the practical trainings, right? Um, Second point is that you have to develop, no, not develop. You have to learn, right? Once you finish learn, well, you have to develop the training, go through the process, go through the practicals, make sure and follow everything, and continue testing different ads, continue testing different ads and different campaigns, and
Good.
you have to get comfortable of not just rushing to make money. Learn the system first, understand the system first, get comfortable with the system. And once you get comfortable with the system, that is, eventually you will be building up your email list. And once you build up your email list, from there the money will start to flow afterward.
And this email list would be something that would be under your control. You getting my point?
Yeah.
This would be your own property, own digital real estate. Okay.
Right. So basically an email list is like an asset as well. Your own
That's
asset.
correct. Your email list, your email list would be your asset. Email list would be your asset. Okay. Thank you for giving me this feedback, Leona.